I'm out for a drive in cottage country today, and I happen to notice this pontoon boat parked beside a cottage that has some load guides on it. This is what people are doing to try and make their boats easier to load. But what they don't realize is that this is extremely illegal. This load guide system is meant for a fishing boat. That bracket is extended to the max. This boat is 8 foot 6 wide, and these load guides are sticking out a significant amount on both sides. That's why I designed the pontoon tamers, so that this isn't illegal. People are desperately looking for load guides that go on the outside, but this is illegal.